Oh, this is how we join for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again with another unboxing, guys. Here I'm again with another hair remover. You can see here, especially for female in this case, from Cecotec, Spain, Spanish brand with the German collaboration in this case. Many videos of this type of product you can see from Brown, from Panasonic, from Remington or other brand. If you want, check the video description for unboxing of those products. So here Cecotec, let's see, 60 high precise blades, 60 blade, a lot of blades, integrated lead light. Inside you have lead light. You can see the head here. See how it is very effective. It looks. Here is a button, Cecotec. Let me show you the box. It's a Spanish brand, Cecotec. Okay, here more other information writing. Very lovely packaging of this product indeed. Okay, you have to take this out from here, otherwise you'll have a problem. Now, lovely. So you have to take all this out together to have access, otherwise it will drop here and there. Lovely. Something inside remain in the pack. One of the head, guys, you can see how it is. We'll go to that later. Let's see the manual. Lovely manual in this case, not folded or other way. Lovely. If you have time to read this literature, you can read this one. I put one side. Let's go to the cable here. It doesn't have any charger, so you don't need to carry all the places. This is C port, you can see, so you can charge with your Samsung and iPhone charger very easily this product. Lovely thinking. And here is the main machine, guys. Before that, you can check the head, this one. Take this off from here. See how it is, the head. Lovely. Okay. Inside we have another tool. You have a brush to clean your machine. They fold these ones, almost is destroyed the brush. Should be another place, not exactly, so it's folded, is bended this brush. Okay, whatever. Let's go to the machine, guys. Very heavy machine compared to Brown or other. Let me take this out. Here, very heavy machine, guys. I feel heavy at my hands. See here bottom, some button sort of thing. This is a button indeed. 2-step here, 60 blade. They look very strong in this case to take out all your hair. Here we have release button. You hold, you can take this head out. See here, if you have another head, you can adjust in this case. Very lovely build in this. Here for charging at the bottom, see, C-port charger you can use. Cecotec is written here. You some light you have. Wow, very heavy machine. The best part of this one, here Brown, if you compare with the Brown doesn't have a battery inside, so you have to take your adapter with you all the time. And this one, you have a button. Only you need to charge, only you hit the button, it will start. Here we go. See how it is. When you press it, it will start. Second press is more intense. You can see how it is. Third press off. So first medium, second is intense, third for stop. Lovely looking machine, guys. Very strong and powerful. Wow, Cecotec here, a well-known Spanish brand in this case. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.